This is how to use the TV. You will find the remote in the living room. You turn it on right here. The TV is a smart TV. It works on the internet. The modem is right here. The internet should already be connected to it, but if you want to check, for example, if you see that nothing is working, you go in the dashboard right here, you push OK. Settings, OK. And here you have network and internet. And you see our network is right here, and right now it's working. So if the TV is not working, that would be the first thing to check. Okay, so we go back. So here you see you have Netflix, Prime, YouTube, Disney. You can add any other things, you can browse. If you enter your Netflix or Disney accounts, can you please make sure to log out of the account when you check out? Thank you.